Hey everybody, it's Friday again, and I do have a small unpackaging to show you. And if you could tell by the layout of these high relief Somali elephant coins what it might be, then yeah, cool. You got half a brain. Ha ha ha. I'm a jerk, I know. Sorry. So eBay had their 8% Evucks, right? And the reason why this one's closed is, well, my buddy Salivate Metal knows why I don't have the box open like all these other years. 2013, Sal, you know the answer. Come on, put it in the comments. And the other box behind there is just another 2013. I got two of them. It was a really nice deal. It was like $60 or something each from, I think it was Gainesville or something at the time. So, anyway, this is one series I did continue, going on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now I've got year 7 of these coins. And, right, so eBay had their 8% E-Bucks. APMEX had it. It was like $90, I think so. Anyway, yeah, I got myself, like, I don't know, $7 and change off in E-Bucks. I did get something a little more pricey. It's on its way. It's for another unboxing. And just to show you guys, yep, there's the box. I'm opening it on the side just because I need to get a Sharpie one day so I could do these without any fear of identity revelations. Oh my God, if they would know who I am, it would be the end of my world. So, here we go, the package within the package. I cut into this. Come on. There we go. I got my packing slip on the side there. I'll put that aside. I think it was like 90. I might be wrong. I gotta take a quick peek. It's Friday afternoon. My brain is fried. Working, man. Bringing in the bucks. $87.99. Okay, so $88. So here's the white box. I could just turn it on the side at this point and just, whoop. Sensitive information. Now you see me. Instead of just hearing a bunch of noise on the side, I know I'm like the worst unboxer. I should get a Razzie for unboxings. But come on, I get some cool stuff. That's why you put up with little $50 all these years, the 2-3 dozen viewers at any one time. But I'm glad, any of you are here. Thank you for coming. I'm a little snarky today, ain't I? It's Friday. It was a hard week. So, 2019, high relief Somali elephant. Let me go ahead and pull out the COA for my viewing pleasure. And if you enjoy looking at it too, cool. So, there you go. It's $9.99 silver. I think it's 4 9s. Yep, 4 9s. And there is 1,000 of these. Now, there was a couple years here, I think they said there was 500, but it was really like 1,000, I think. I don't know. Let me pull the coin out. It seems decently secured. I will bring it up to the camera. Really close. This one I will. What do you guys think? You like it? Here. I'll hold it up to the 2013, which was only $9.99. These really are beautiful coins. I'll put put the 2013 down. I need 2 hands. I'm all thumbs. And there's the reverse with the coat of arms. And these are as African as Germany, for any of you who are unsure. These are not actually minted in Africa. They are minted at the Bavarian Mint, and it's questionable if these are actually bona fide tender of the Somali nation, Republic of Somalia. So that's pretty much it. I'm a big fan of these. I've gotten these since the beginning, just by chance. I think it was one of the other YouTube, he's not really a YouTuber, he joins our hangouts, and he's still around, Zach. Shout out to Zach. Smoky Mountain Blizzard or something is his new name, but anyway, yeah, I jumped on this. Or was it Silver GT? Whatever. What do you think? Good series to keep up on? They don't really gain value. They don't lose value. They're always selling for like $90 or so. But hey, I don't know, maybe one day with the complete set, maybe they'll discontinue these and they'll be worth quite a bit. I just like them. I mean, why am I paying 4 times spot? Because I like them. Anyway, babbling on. Have a great Friday, everyone. Have a great weekend, and expect a little golden surprise well, surprise ain't a surprise. Expect a little golden unboxing of another series that I'm kind of in and out of. And if you watch my videos, you could probably guess 2 or 3 guesses to know what that is. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye bye.